Animal videos are dominating social media. From cats cooking in tiny kitchens to dogs folding laundry, these amusing and creative clips are raking in millions of views across TikTok and YouTube. Even better, many creators are earning a significant income from them through TikTok's creativity program, YouTube ad revenue, and sponsorships. But here's the secret. You don't need to be a professional videographer, own real animals, or even have fancy equipment to start making these videos. With AI tools, you can create adorable, engaging, and profitable content easily. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to plan, design, and produce viral-worthy animal videos from scratch. Whether you're looking to grow your channel or make money online, this guide has everything you need to get started. Let's go. Step 1. Plan your viral video concept. Every great video starts with a creative idea. The first step in crafting a successful viral video is to decide what kind of scene you want to create. Imagine your favorite animal, say, a cat doing something completely human, like cooking pasta or folding laundry. The more relatable or amusing the scenario, the better it will resonate with viewers. To make it even easier, I prepared a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts for various scenes and activities. The link is in the description below. For example, prompt: create a scenario where a cat is cooking pasta in a cozy kitchen. Want something different? Swap the cat for a dog or change the activity from cooking to painting. Paste your customized prompt into ChatGPT and it will generate a detailed and imaginative description of the scene. This will be the foundation of your video. When you have description of the scene ready, then paste the next prompt to ChatGPT to generate prompts to generate images. Hit generate and ChatGPT will generate a highly detailed descriptions that you can use with AI image generator. Step 2. Generate visuals with AI. Now that you've planned your scene, it's time to bring it to life with visuals. For this, we'll use an AI image generation tool like Ideogram. Here's what to do. Set up the tool. Create an Ideogram account if you don't have one already. Adjust settings. To ensure realistic and engaging visuals, select a realistic style. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, ideal for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Paste your scene prompt. Copy the prompt you created in ChatGPT, paste it into Ideogram, and let it work its magic. The tool will generate several variations of your scene. Select and download images. Browse through the generated visuals and choose the ones that best capture your vision. Download them to your device. Step 3. Animate your images. Static images are great, but animations make your content truly come alive. Here's how to transform your images into animated videos. Use Haluo AI. Go to the platform and create an account if needed. Select the image to video feature. Upload your images. Start by uploading the first image you generated earlier. Enhance with prompts. Paste the same prompt you used to generate the image. This ensures the animation stays true to the original concept. Generate animation. Click Generate and let the AI do its work. In a few moments, you'll have a fully animated scene. Review and download. Preview the video to ensure it matches your expectations. Download the animated clip when you're satisfied. Repeat this for all your images. Step 4. Background music. No video is complete without engaging background music. To make your videos stand out, use Pixabay Music for free copywriting music. Or you can use YouTube Studio to find the one you like. Ask it to suggest a fitting style such as playful jazz or soft piano. Listen to the tracks and choose the one that fits the mood of your video. Download it to your device. Step 5. Edit your final video. Editing is where everything comes together. Use CapCut, a user-friendly video editor, to assemble and refine your clips. Import media. Start by uploading your animated clips and background music into a new CapCut project. Adjust aspect ratio. Set your video's dimensions to 9:16 for optimal viewing on vertical platforms like TikTok and Shorts. Remove watermarks. If any clips have logos or watermarks, stretch the video slightly to crop them out. Arrange clips. Organize your clips to create a logical flow. Add transitions. Use smooth transitions between clips to enhance professionalism. Apply these effects consistently across the video. Sync music and effects. Overlay sound effects, like chopping sounds when the cat cuts vegetables, and to make the scenes more immersive. Add your music and sync it to the visuals. Preview and export. Watch the entire video from start to finish to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Export your video in 4K resolution for the best quality. Ready to go viral? Congratulations! You've just created a high-quality, engaging animal video using AI tools. Post it on TikTok or YouTube Shorts and watch the views pour in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. See you next time.